Welcome to Stellar Hosting. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a subdomain in Direct Admin for SitePad Builder. SitePad makes it easy to build a website on a subdomain using its simple drag and drop websites builder. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your Direct Admin control panel. Once logged in, on your user dashboard, locate the Account Manager section. Click on Subdomain Management. Once the page loads, click on the Add Subdomain button. In the subdomain field, type only the subdomain path. For example, if you want test.yourdomain.com, enter only test. When you type in your subdomain, there will be a drop-down option to add your document root. Select the second option if you're using it on SitePad and click Add Domain, and it's done. The subdomain is now active and will create a folder. Next, return to your Direct Admin dashboard. Scroll to Extra Features, locate SitePad Website Builder and click on it to launch SitePad. When SitePad opens, click on Add New Website. You will be asked to choose the domain for your website. From the drop-down list, select the subdomain you just created. You'll be directed to fill in some forms, and once you're done, select photos to add to your website. And after that, choose a template that fits your website purpose. You can preview different designs before selecting one. After choosing your template, click Import Themed Content, and SitePad will begin installing your website on the subdomain. This may take a few moments. Once the installation is completed, you can visit the SitePad editor. From here, you can customize your pages, add content, images, and features using the drag and drop tool. And that's it. You've successfully installed a website on a subdomain using SitePad. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need Stellar Hosting services. Also, subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials with Stellar Hosting. See you in the next video.